Boy, I got this car tuned up just razor sharp. How you like that? But look at this, guys. I got plenty of oil pressure. Woo! Ain't that great? I don't know about that gas gauge. I don't know what the heck's going on with that. But awesome. Get under here and make sure it's not leaking. Nope, don't look like it. That's here's the old one. Pretty nasty. All right. Smoky. See, that's how you know when the General Motors product is running right, when it smokes. If it's not smoking, you know it's not running or it's not running right. Hee hee hee.